You go.
Good evening, Mr. Lubas and class fellows. Dowry is a big curse in this world. And first of all, I want to tell what is the dowry. Dowry is a gift and property that given by father and guardian of the girl when she get married. Her parents give her property when she get married with a man. In ancient time, a long time ago, the people just think that they just consider this is help for the girl to establish their home, new home. But now in the modern world, the people expecting more from the girl. They want more property and they want more gold, especially in my culture, the people, they expect more from the girl. And I'm totally against with this idea because it's not a good idea. There is a lot of reasons. The first reason that is very most important, that the girls, some girls, they cannot get married because they don't have money. They don't have money and no one want to accept them without dowry. And it is a big curse, especially in my country and Indian people, they does that. And it's not a good idea. Some people, they get loans to give the dowry to their daughters. And the loans never goes away. Because when they get loan and it's not mean they have only one daughter, maybe they have 2, 3 daughters and they have to give each daughter same thing because then the people said, why you give your first daughter this much and why you giving us this much? You have to give the same thing. But point of my opinion, this is not a good and I'm totally against of it. And some girls, they are overaged and they don't want to get married. So I really want, they need to make a law about this to stop this system. Especially we have to change ourselves before to make a law. And first, people need to burn their greed and spare their brides, and they can spend more good life without the dowry too. And thank you so much.